Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant notifications every time someone uses your template on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to prevent those notifications on your PC, especially with Pinterest's latest update. Let's get started. First, open Pinterest from your browser and log into your account. You'll see the familiar Pinterest home screen, filled with all your favorite pins and boards. Take a look at the left side menu. This is where you'll find all your main navigation options. Next, click on Settings in that left side menu. This will open up a new page where you can manage everything about your Pinterest experience, from your profile details to your privacy preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. Click on it to access all your notification controls. This is where you can fine-tune what Pinterest notifies you about, so you're only getting alerts that matter to you. Now, scroll down until you find the option labeled Collages at Pins You Published. This is the setting that sends you push notifications whenever someone uses your template to create a collage or similar pin. To stop these notifications, simply disable the push toggle next to this option. After you've made this change, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This ensures that your new preferences are applied and you won't be bothered by those template notifications anymore. And that's it. By following these quick steps, you can keep your Pinterest notifications clean and focused on what's important to you. No more interruptions every time someone uses your template. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your Pinterest experience. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!